Hello everybody, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Salma Am. These are my colleagues.
Hello, I'm Nora. And I'm Nuran Mandu.
And I am Heb.
We'd like to introduce you our digital system and design project. We are computer science engineering in the German University in Cairo. Our project is a simple module for an air filter that must be used in hospital. It distinguishes fires, it alarms the nurse for the medicine time, it alarms people if the noise exceeded a certain level. And last but not least, it filtered the air from any impurities.
And most importantly, this is all implemented using an FPGA.
Now we are going to connect the components of the breadboard together. This is the positive edge of the adapter and this is the negative edge of the adapter, which will be our power supply. We're going to connect the positive edge of the fan to the positive edge of the power supply and the positive edge of the water pump to the positive edge of the power supply. Regarding the negative edge of the fan, it's going to be connected to the normally closed of the relay, and the negative edge of the water pump is going to be connected to the other relay, the normally common of the other relay.
This is a demonstration of how the flame sensor and the pump work. When the sensor detects the flame, it sends the signal through the FPGA, which will trigger the pump.
This is the air filter model. It works on two modes, either manually or automatically. In the automatic mode, it works for 15 seconds every minute. And here we will show you the demonstration with the stopwatch. After 1 minute, it will work for 15 seconds. And now, I'll show you the other mode using a manual switch. When we turn on the switch, the fan will work as long as we want. And when we turn off the switch, it stops. And
now with the demonstration of the noise sensor. When the noise exceeds a certain level, the sensor will detect that and the LEDs will light up to alert the residents. And now, I'll leave you with my colleague. Regarding the medicine model on the left-hand side, we mentioned at the beginning of the video that this model is supposed to work at a hospital. It helps the nurse to know the time of every medicine for every patient. In addition, the nurse can adjust the timer according to the patient. This demonstration works for 10 seconds every 1 minute.
The main modules implemented in our project are the filter project, and this is our main module that connects the different parts of the project. First, let's talk about the medicine module, which is simply a timer for reminding the nurse with the medicine times of the patient. In this module, we'll call another module called clock generator 2, which gives an output, a clock of 1 Hz, which simplifies the calculation of our timer. Secondly, the water pump module. And it works on a signal from the FPGA, which corresponds to a signal from the flame sensor. The third module is the sound module. It detects if the noise level exceeded a certain level, so it makes some LEDs blinks indicating that. And last but not least, the fan module, which uses a clock as an input that is generated from a module which is pretty much the same like the one used in the medicine, and it's called clock generator 4. And the fan works as my colleagues mentioned before. Thank you very much for your listening and interest.